Hello, my name is Robert with Occupancy Boost. I wanted to give you guys a really quick lesson on how to get more business for your hotel. I did a search here on Expedia for Denver, Colorado, and as you can imagine, there's probably at least 400 to 500 hotels in Denver. So, you know, if you're below like the first page, you're really hurting yourself as far as getting business goes. And if you want to get more business, I want you to take a look at these hotels on this first page. This is how it's done. You can see this hotel here. It says we have 3 left for 20% off. This hotel is running a members only deal on Expedia. This hotel here has 1 left. This hotel also has member pricing available right here. And then this Hyatt is 20% off. Could be running 20% off just for the day that I shopped, or it could be for, you know, a promotional period. Anyway, the point I want to make is these hotels that are running these promotions, and it doesn't have to be 20% off. You can pick your own percentage. You don't have to run a members deal. I mean, there's all different types of things available in the Expedia Extranet. And the Expedia Extranet is available to every single hotel that has a listing on Expedia. So this is how this stuff gets noticed. It gets visibility. It gets you moved up from like the bottom 500 to the top, you know, the top of the list for the hotels. But what's important is people see these things when they're looking for hotels, when they're doing a search, and they book these hotels that have these specials going on. They can see them right there. They stand out, and they're so easy to do. I'm going to have some other videos coming out that are going to show you guys some other tricks, but this is really easy to do. And like I said, it's available to everybody that has a hotel listed on Expedia.